Get rid of the annoying spraying on your Gaggia Classic Pro and make your shots look smooth and clean with this simple 9-bar spring upgrade that only takes 5 minutes to install. Let's go! This is what you'll need: a crosshead screwdriver, a 10mm wrench, and the 9-bar spring. If you're wondering where to get the spring, I have a kit linked in the description. Spoiler alert! Simply cutting the original spring doesn't actually work. Before we start, please make sure the machine is not heated up and there's no built-up pressure in it. Otherwise, this could be dangerous. Also, please be aware that by opening up your machine, you're choosing to void your warranty. Now, let's get to work. First, remove the water reservoir lid and unscrew the 2 screws on top of the machine. Carefully remove the top plate. It will all come off as a single piece. Here's where the action happens. The Gaggia Classic Pro is a simple machine, but not the tidiest. To make things easier to work with, I suggest you pull the hose before starting. Be mindful that it may be wet as you bring it up. Now, grab your 10mm wrench and carefully unscrew the nut. Inside, you'll find this spring. As you can see, it is longer and thicker than the one we'll upgrade to. Simply take it out and place the new 9-bar spring in and screw the nut back. This should be pretty straightforward, but be careful not to drop it inside the machine as it will be a bit of a hassle to retrieve. I know you're probably about to leave the video, so please drop a like on your way out so this video reaches more people like you who want to get the best out of their machine. If you decided to stay, let's see how it works on my machine. To assemble, we just need to work in reverse. After you screw the nut, carefully reinsert the hose to the same place. Insert the top plate back, making sure the front slides in the plastic lid. Screw it to the machine, and you're all done. For the longest time, I postponed upgrading to the 9-bar spring. I was afraid I'd break something inside, as I've never considered myself good with mechanical tasks. But I became so tired of spraying shots. Despite having a good tamping and distribution technique, a clean machine, and a new gasket, the problem was still there, so it had to be the pressure. I decided enough was enough, and as you can see, the process was pretty easy and the results are even better than I expected. If you're interested in more maintenance videos for your Classic, go check my videos on descaling and cleaning the group head to keep your machine running like new for years. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.